I used to fail every single maths test, but then got 98% in the exams. I did it twice and it was for further engineering maths. I am very much so convinced that this is the only method that will ever work because I was horrible at maths, as you can probably imagine. And this method literally saved me. It is literally just making a recipe out of every single example that you come across. What you're gonna do for maths, it is the only subject that I will ever allow you to use your textbooks, okay? So get the textbooks, get examples online, and look at every single example, turn them all into a recipe. Now, what does a recipe consist of? It consists of the ingredients and it consists of the directions. Now, it's going to be the exact same in mathematics, but instead of ingredients, you're going to talk about any keywords that you find. And if there's any assumptions, you will use that as well. The assumptions are mainly in mechanics and sometimes in further maths as well. But when it comes to like the other things that you would write in there, it would be stuff that like has keywords on it. For example, if you're integrating something and they ask you for area and exact area, even though they both mean area, they kind of mean different things. When they say exact area, that usually means they want you to put it into surd form or pi form or whatever it is they're asking you for, just not in decimals. Remember, at this point, you're just looking at examples. You're not going through any of the questions. You're just looking at examples. You're looking at other people's method of doing it. So you're just writing down what they're doing, what the keywords are. And then on the opposite side of that, that's where you're going to write every single step that they do. So let's say for integration, you say integrate using this formula. After that, you plug in values. And then after that, you do this, you do that. You're going to literally write every single step one by one. Even if it seems like such a small step, just write it down because it's better to have it than to forget. Repeat for every single example. And when I say every single example, I literally mean from like 5 different textbooks for the same topic. If you can cover all of that, you'll be fine. All the best, bye.